Hey y'all, we are talking about soul snatching, or just giving it away. All right. So I don't know if this is our third or fourth video or whatever, but right now I'm just giving you some examples of songs, or posts or whatever, where people are using so loosely the word soul and giving it away or taking it or snatching it or what have you. Now here's an opposite. Beyonce's song, You Won't Break My Soul. And this song, and again, no shade to anybody who I'm talking about. I don't dislike anybody who I'm talking about. I don't know anybody who I'm talking about, okay? I don't know any of them personally. So there is absolutely no shade to anyone, okay? I love Beyonce's music, the rhythms. I enjoy her voice and everything. And I'm not going to speak negatively about her or anything about her on this video right now. That's all I'm going to say about that. All right. So You Won't Break My Soul. Okay. So to me, the lyrics were very motivational. They were inspirational. They were like, you know, if you're in this kind of situation, like, man, you ain't gonna break my ass, you know, I'm just gonna roll up out of here. I'm gonna do what I got to do and blah, 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 you know. So to me, you would feel very empowered and stuff when you listen to the lyrics. And then there was, release your will, release your this, release your that. And then he says, release your mind. And I said, okay, release your mind. What mind do you want to release? Mind? I know it rhymed with another word that came afterwards, I think. But release your mind. I don't know that I would just say that. I don't know that I would just say that. I would have to be specific. Like, what are we releasing? Our monkey mind, the chatter in your head. What are you releasing? What is release your mind? You want to lose your mind? Is that what you're trying to do? Lose your mind? I don't understand. What is that really saying? And that's not her. She's not saying that. The guy is saying that in the background. So he's in the background saying these things. Release your this, release your that, you know. And that could be subliminal messaging, you know, because that's how things happen. You don't even know that you're hearing this person back here. You're hearing all this motivational stuff, and then you're hearing, release your this, release your that. And most of them sound good, but then he says your mind. And then he says your will. Release your will. What? Why do I want to release my will? I don't understand that. Why do I want to release my will? I had to think about that. Why release my mind? I don't know. Maybe I don't understand. Maybe I don't understand. But what I do understand is that the English language is a spelling language. So you have to be careful of the words that come out of your mouth. Remember, who was that said that? Something about the words that coming out of my mouth or something. Who was that? Chris Tucker or something? But you have to be careful of the words that come out of your mouth, because I don't know that I want to say release my mind. Like, really? Look, negate, and amnesia. Like, really? I'm not saying that. Release your will. Why would I want to do that? Like, our will, that's what keeps us going. Why do I want to release that? So think about that. No shade to Beyonce. She doesn't say that part. But it's in the song. The song is funky. The song is hot. They be playing that song every time I'm in my class, my athletic classes, and I get into the song. But again, why does he say that? I don't know. That's just something that you must think about, because whether you sing that part or not, it's still getting reprogrammed into your subconscious because you're hearing it repetitiously. So that's all I'm going to say about that. All righty.